students, today we will learn what is irrigation and what are the different methods of irrigation, and we will learn also applying of manure and fertilizers. Now students, next step is irrigation. Irrigation to supply of water to crops. To supply of water to crops. That process is known as irrigation. Source of water for irrigation. Sources of water for irrigation. From where we can give the water to the crops. These sources are wells, lakes, ponds, canals, rivers, and dams. With these water sources, we can irrigate the crops. Now students, methods of irrigation. Methods of irrigation. Methods of irrigation we can categorize into two. One is traditional methods which were used in earlier, and now modern irrigation methods. Traditional irrigation methods like, for example, Rahat. We irrigate the crops with the help of animals. Rahat, Dhekli, and one more, chain pumps. These methods are time consuming and they require more energy. These old ones, traditional methods, Rahat, Dhekli and chain pumps. Now modern irrigation methods, one is tube well, power tubes. It is called power tube because we use it with electricity. They work with electricity. Power tubes. Second is sprinkler method, and this is second, this is first, and third one is drip irrigation. These two methods are time saving and water saving. These two methods conserve water. We use these irrigation methods at those places in which the water amount is less rainfall, scarcity of the water. In those places we use this method, sprinkler and drip irrigation. In sprinkler method, water comes out from the pipes in the form of shower, and in drip irrigation the water comes out from the pipes drop wise, and both methods conserve water. Now students, applying of manure and fertilizers. by applying manure and fertilizers, we can improve the fertility of the soil. So, what is manure now? Manure. Manure is a organic substance. Organic substance which we can prepare from wastage of animals and plants by decomposition. It contains a good amount of nutrients, which nutrients are essential for plant growth. Now fertilizers. Fertilizers are chemicals which are prepared in factories from chemicals. For example, NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. This urea, second urea, superphosphate. These some examples of superphosphate. These are the examples of fertilizers. But fertilizer, the excess use of fertilizers is harmful. They cause the soil pollution, water pollution. So we should use manures maximum, organic. आजकल in these days organic farming is very famous.